What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see, it has hit a new all-time high over basically the past few days. You can see here today, it does look as though we have actually hit a new all-time high in the past few hours, heading up to around, what is this, 7.3 cents. So looking really, really good for continuation here. Obviously breaking that previous all-time high, which was in and around that 6.7 cent area that we did outline here with this green line. You can see we've hit the new all-time high here. And currently just having a bit of a, chopping it up for the past few hours in this area. We've had a really nice pump up here after consolidating in and around the previous all-time high here. You can see the line for the previous all-time high, which we hit back here. You can see here had a bit of a retracement, forming that kind of a triangular formation that we did see. And as you can see here, we have broken out to the upside, come up to the previous all-time high, chopped ourselves up in and around it, consolidating under that resistance really bullishly on our hourly time frame here. And you can see here now that we have actually pumped all the way up to 7.3 cents in the past few hours, a new all-time high, looking really, really good. And currently, having a bit of a retracement, probably to come back down, retest this area as support before continuation. But obviously, overall, looking really, really strong. You can see here quite clearly, if I just try and... I just really want to delete this little... There we go. You can see overall, super, super bullish. For a long time, we've been talking about how Verasity is going to start breaking out. You can see here, we've got this big cup and handle formation, and it looks as though we are just starting to do something like this, where we start to move to the upside. Obviously broke the previous all-time high of 5.5 cents here, which we retraced from. We hit this, had that massive correction all the way down to 1/4 of a cent here, 3/4 of a cent, sorry, at 0.075 cents. And then you can see here we come all the way up to that psychological 5 cent resistance, backtest and retrace, scoop ourselves up throughout that bearish September with the ABC correction and the extension to the downside. We scoop ourselves up really nicely off the 618 here. You can see quite clearly we come down, retest the 618 perfectly on this fib that was pulled from the previous all-time high to the low. So from high to low here, we come up, come back down, retest the 618, the price action gets scooped up, we come all the way up, make a new all-time high at 6.7 cents. We come down, back test that previous swing high at around 5 cents as support, all the while forming this very, very bullish pennant, looking something like this. And then obviously we pump all the way up over the past few days to the previous all-time high of 6.7 cents. Consolidate there. As you can see on the hourly time frame, we come up, consolidate, and it looks as though we have pushed up again to a new all-time high. So overall, Verasity looking super bullish. Really, really top quality project. Seems very likely, in our opinion, that we're probably going to continue to see it do very well. As we've always said, we do think 50 cents to $1 could be possible for Verasity by the end of the bull run, which is probably, in the next 3 or 4 months, considering how things are going. And considering how good the fundamentals are for this project, we could be looking at a very, very nice pump for it indeed. Currently trading at around that 7 cent mark. Obviously, 50 cents to $1 would be around a 10-15x from the current price. So very, very good indeed. Looking like a top quality project. I mean, this chart is so bullish. Look at how bullish this chart is. Massive pump up, big correction, pump up again, little correction, pump up again. Back test, probably come back down, back test maybe in this 5 cent area again one last time, and have that massive catapult if we do roll to the downside. So basically we'll do price predictions then. Short-term price predictions if we roll over. We could roll over here and retest these levels down here if we do roll over from the bottom of this area. Let's just take a look at the hourly time frame so it's easier to see. Currently rolling over to look for support. Obviously we could roll over, retest this area here and get that continuation. That would be super bullish at around this 6.9 cent area. If we roll over from there, we do have that 6.5 cent area here, and these swing highs here. We do think coming back down, retesting this pennant that was forming here would be super bullish for continuation, and a massive bounce to the upside. But obviously, if we do keep going, we do have that target at 10 cents, which we've been talking about. Big Fibonacci target and psychological resistance. And, that's a big take profit point for a lot of people. If we do start to break out of here and make our way up, 10 cents would be our short-term price target. And then, as we've always said, and we said earlier, we do think that 50 cent to $1 area would be very, very likely, in our opinion, for Verasity if it continues looking as bullish as it is here, forming up really bullishly on the charts, and obviously with really good fundamentals as well. Seems very likely it's going to do well, so that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.